Hey guys, welcome back to Learn with Maktum. In this video, we are going to see about access modifiers in C Sharp. So, are you excited to learn about access modifiers? So, let's right jump into it. Access modifiers in C Sharp are used to specify the scope of accessibility of members of class or type of the class itself. So these access modifiers, they specify the scope of accessibility, means till what we can access or where we can access the member of class, the scope in which we can access the members of the class or the class itself will be defined by the access modifiers. So, for example, a public class is accessible to everyone without any restriction. So, if we are using public modifier to the class, then we can access that class everywhere, anywhere, okay, without any restriction, okay. So, access modifiers allows you to define who does or who doesn't have access to certain features. So, this is what we are giving. What here we are giving permissions to the users, okay. If we are using private, we are restricting him to not access. If we are saying public, he can access. So here we are defining who can access and who cannot access using the access modifiers. Clear with that? Okay, let us see one by one. Public modifier, first one. The public keyword is an access modifier for types and type member. Yeah, it is an access modifier. Public access is the most permissive accessive level. Means here the permission will be given to everyone. Yeah, it is a public. There are no restriction on accessing public members. There is no restriction. Everyone can access it. Okay. Then coming to private modifier. Private access is the least permissive access level. So here everything will be hidden, means he cannot access them. Yeah, private members are accessible only within the body of the class in which they are declared. Clear with that? Then coming to protected modifier. A protected member is accessible from within the class in which it is declared and from within any class derived from the class that declared this member. So it here in protected modifier the inheritance comes, okay. So it means what, we can access the members inside the class as well as in the derived class. So what is this derived class? Everything you will be understanding once we discuss about inheritance, okay. Means in the child class you can access them. Clear with that? A protected member of a base class is accessible in derived class only if access takes place through the derived class type. Okay, so here public means everyone can access, private means only the class in which they are declared, they only can access, protected means the class itself as well as the derived class can access those things. So these are the three main access modifiers we have. If we are not declaring any access modifier, by default in C Sharp they will be private. Clear with that? They will be private. Clear with this? Okay, so this is about the access modifiers. You remember these three mainly: public modifier, private modifier, and protected modifiers. Other than this, we have private, protected, as well as something called as internal and protected internal, like that. But these three are the main things to be remembered. Okay, so this is all about access modifiers, and in the next video we are going to see the next concepts. I hope you like this video. I'm going to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.